So what happens if you see an IRS tax lien document as part of a title search? This is Dave at titlesearch.com. An IRS tax lien is actually a judgment against an individual. So if it's not a lien against a particular property, how does it become an encumbrance on a property? Well, typically, an IRS tax lien, as a judgment, if it's recorded in the county where a property is or where a property owner owns a piece of real estate, it will automatically attach to any parcels that that person owns or owns in the future by statute. And again, this is the legal conclusion that you want to get good advice from an attorney. But in most cases, if the IRS, the Treasury Department, files that tax lien properly in a county, then any piece of real estate that that tax debtor owns or comes in contact with as far as partial owner, interest in, their interest, their equity, their collateral is encumbered by that tax lien. So if you do see that, if you're an investor, if you're a buyer, make sure that first you contact the IRS, because in many cases, if it's a foreclosure, if it's some other type of distressed property, an investor can work with the IRS to have a lower amount settled to get the tax lien taken off that piece of real estate. Now, the debtor still is responsible for the entire amount, but the IRS may, this is the information we're getting from our investor clients, they may remove that lien from the real estate for a lower amount than the face value, and that can help you as an investor have an advantage over other competing bidders. If you do have questions about locating an IRS tax lien, finding them on a piece of real estate, or making sure they're part of a title search, you can reach us at our website at titlesearch.com.